Hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm here at Jennifer Hough's Embodiment Workshop. I came here because she has created this community on AOA, and I wanted to meet some of these people in person. So I came in person this time, and she does some great work online too. I thought it would be interesting to have a new take on kinesiology and the Yesence technique. I have found just another layer of depth to working with kinesiology. So I'm really moving some energy and watching people light up. It's great. I think what's moved for me is that when you're working with Jennifer, she'll work sort of one-on-one with you and with others in the group. So just pieces of information that I've gotten, I've been able to embody. Like I knew it intellectually before, but now I have techniques to actually bring it into my whole being. So I feel like when I leave here, the actions that I have been considering taking will actually be supported in a new way.